You don't need a university degree to become a digital marketer in 2025. These are 5 courses that would teach you everything you need to know without spending a single penny. Number 1, Google Digital Garage. It is Google official free course on digital marketing basis. Number 2, with Hotspot Academy, you can learn content marketing, social media, and email marketing. And number 3 is Meta Blueprint. This is Facebook free course on how to run Facebook and Instagram ads. Number 4 is SEMRush Academy. It is where you can get the best free SEO training for ranking websites on Google. Number 5 is Coursera and Udemy free courses. It is where to look for free beginner digital marketing courses. And I will drop the links to all of these courses in the comment section below. So now that you have the skill, let's talk about how to make money using digital marketing. So in my next video, I would share 5 proven ways you can make money online using digital marketing. So don't forget to subscribe and turn on your notification so you don't miss it.